No rest and no peace for the occupiers. Last night, Ukrainian forces fired Atacms against Russian air defense positions in Russian-occupied Crimea. NASA firm's map indicates that an area where the Russian occupation positioned a S-400 battery near Sevastopol is on fire. And here is in confirmation. Ukrainian forces successfully struck a Russian S-300, S-400 SAM battery south of the Russian-occupied city of Sevastopol on Crimea. Seen here, secondary explosions, likely from burning missile fuel, filmed from nearby. In Rzhevka, Shebekinsky district in the Bilhorod region, local media report a strike on an agricultural enterprise. In occupied Kherson region, a Ukrainian drone spotted a Russian Ural truck with ammunition entering Russian positions. An artillery strike followed, causing other equipment to catch fire from the detonated munitions. Let's see what is happening in Venezuela. The key moment in any mass unrest is for the military or intelligence services to switch sides. According to some sources, the Venezuelan military can be seen refusing to suppress their fellow citizens. Maduro's end is approaching. Let's get back to Ukraine. The 79th Air Assault Brigade continues to destroy Russian mechanized columns moving towards Kostiantynivka. Russian propagandists threaten to destroy Ukrainian civilian infrastructure for each supplied F-16 aircraft. The logic of terrorists.
Какой логикой должна руководствоваться Россия, реагируя на факт уже в ближайшее время появления американских F-16, переданных с территории и из наличия ВВС ряда стран-членов НАТО в Европе, на Украину? Логика очень простая. Каждый переданный F-16 – одна уничтоженная украинская ТЭС, либо объект электрогенерации. 6 самолетов передают. Значит, в течение ближайших 4, 5, 7 дней 6 украинских объектов электрогенерации должны быть уничтожены полностью. Учитывая, что электрогенерация и объекты критической инфраструктуры обеспечивают устойчивость тыла вооруженных сил Украины. Поверьте мне, это будет лучше, чем объявление красных линий, выдвижение каких-то ультиматумов и прочих вещей. Противник понимает только тогда, когда ему делают очень больно. И наша логика, победа в СВО, диктует необходимость полного уничтожения тыла ВСУ. Это и политическая, и военная задача, она однозначно вытекает, исходя из той ситуации, в которой мы сегодня оказались.
The Russian Gerbera drone, made of foam plastic and plywood, which fell as a result of running out of fuel. The enemy used them in large numbers during the raid on the night of July 31st. The main purpose of cheap UAVs is to overload air defense systems. In Russia, ceiling collapsed in a bathhouse in Vladivostok. There are casualties.
Мы были вот в этом бассейне, у нас
Вот в этом бассейне.
в бассейне на нас рухнула крыша прямо на голову.
Смотри,
Акватория,
я
да.
по центру был, прям вот здесь. Провода мне
Почему прям на...
The Ukrainian Navy's second Turkish-built ADA-class corvette, Hetman Ivan Vyhovsky, F-212, has been launched in Turkey today. The ceremony was attended by First Lady Olena Zelenska, Defense Minister Rustem Umerov, Commander of the Naval Forces Oleksiy Neshpapa, owner of Baykar Haluk Bayraktar, and hero of Ukraine Mustafa Jamiliev. The other corvette, Ivan Mazepa, is already ready and is being tested in the Black Sea. The children of Anna and Artem Dultsev, the Russian deep-cover spies, returned home as part of the prisoner exchange. Didn't know they were Russian until their plane took off for Moscow for the swap, the Kremlin says. They don't speak Russian, so Putin greeted them in Spanish.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.